beautiful subscribers. It's Friday, so happy Friday. Today I will be vlogging my trip to Knott's berry farm with my coworkers today. We actually got our associates IDs, so we're official now. We're Soak City lifeguards. But anyways, we decided to go to Knott's berry farm today since some of us haven't gone to Knott's berry farm in a while. So we're gonna spend after the morning at Knott's berry farm. Give this video a thumbs up. Even if you don't like it, give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, see you in the next clip. Ali! They're gonna be like, who the fuck are these? And be like, fucking YouTuber. I'm sorry, bitch. I'm a YouTuber.
Sorry, I'm a YouTuber.
I'm sorry, I'm a YouTuber.
Let me. Oh my god! Let me.
Come here guys, come here. Okay, now I'm gonna do my makeup. Can you do my eyebrows? Okay, so we got in, bitch!
Wait, hold on.
Damn! Okay, so what are we going on first?
Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider. We're gonna go on Ghost Rider first. Hello. You guys wanna take pictures? No? No, okay, no thank you. We're gonna go on Ghost Rider first. You guys introduce yourselves.
I'm Roseanne.
Angel.
That's Ollie. That's Ollie. You guys met him already. And then where is she? Why is she showing your face? And it's Alexa. Oh. And then obviously you guys know Kylie, but she don't got no makeup on right now. So. Yeah, Kylie Jenner. Stop that shit. Do my makeup in the lines? Okay then. So we're gonna go to Silver Bullet because we're not. Alright. We got Charlie Brown right here. In the blood. I fucking love this ride.
Oh, I look banged out.
So we're going on this one next.
Can we go this way?
With the gang.
Can we go this way? Yeah, this way.
Yeah, let's just go this way.
Oh, the horse. The carriage.
The horse ones?
The carriage.
No, I'm not about to ride a carriage for 30 minutes.
What's the fun? It's all about the horsey.
I got the horses in the bag. We have to go on the log ride too.
Yeah. Should we just go on the log
Oh,
right now?
hell no.
Let's all get moist.
No.
Should we go on it now?
Let's get moist. Ew! Let's get on right now?
Yeah.
You guys want to go on hang time?
Let's get on the log ride first.
Get on
So if
log
we
ride
get
and
wet,
then-
we can get dry.
Okay, so then we're gonna go on the log ride.
Y'all can contact her for eyebrows. She does the best ones. She's using Anastasia, Beverly Hills. Use code Jane for 10% off.
We'll start our own vlog. Hey guys. So we're going on the log ride for like the time. So
You were laughing while you were eating a burger?
no, did you see my story?
Hakuna Matata.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! I got so wet! You guys, I got so fucking wet! Oh my god, look at my face! Oh my god. Dude, someone's gonna make an edit of my face going like this.
No.
So how wet are you guys?
The aftermath, not wet. Really wet.
I used Oliver.
Hold
So we just got off of hang time and everyone's like, God bless you. Everyone's they're gonna go on accelerator. I am not going on accelerator.
How are they not screaming?
We're on boardwalk right now, heading to accelerator.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be recording them on the ride because I'm not going on. Me and Veronica are not gonna get on.
That shit. No, we don't want to die today. No.
We're just gonna record all of them getting on the ride.
You guys
My YouTube channel.
What's up, YouTube channel?
Jackie.
Like and subscribe. I don't know. Why not?
Hey guys, guess who we just fucking met?
We just met Troy Bolton's
dad from High School Musical. We all took a picture with him. I'll be posting those on Kylie's heated as shit. We're looking for that fucking hoe. She flipped us off while we were like on the ride, and she was going up the ride as we were getting on, and her daughter goes like this. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, bitch, really? But anyways, how'd you guys like the ride?
Oh, that ride was fun as hell. It had me making all types of facial expressions.
Oh, by the way, this is Jada.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Jay.
And this is Jay.
Yes, I love this vlogs type stuff. Yes.
Yeah. But yeah.
Love that.
So we just got out of Knott, so we're on our way back to the parking lot. We're by the chicken dinner place. But today, well, this morning was crazy. We went with all of our co-workers, and then we met up with our 2 other friends. And then this old lady tried us today at Ghost Rider. And then we found her at Pony Express again, and this bitch, she went to go tell her shit because her daughter flipped us off while we were on Ghost Rider. We were getting on, and she flipped us off, and Kylie was like, oh shit, like she got so pissed, like she was red. So right when we were getting out, we're like, oh, okay, so if we see her, we're gonna tell her shit. But we didn't end up seeing her because obviously she's gonna leave. She's not gonna wait for us, you know, she's white. And so what's it called? We were like, you know what, fuck this. We're just gonna go to the next ride and forget about her, you know? We go to the next ride, which is Pony Express. Tell me why she shows up in line.
Tell me why.
She shows up in line and she's like standing there and getting in line. And then we tell Kylie, we're like, oh, she's right there. Kylie goes up to her and she presses her. Tell her what she said.
I was like, one time I was like, oh, so you want to flip me off? And she goes, yeah, I don't care. And I was like, okay, ready? Watch this. And I flipped her off. And she goes, okay, what the fuck is your problem, bitch? I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. Oh god, I freaking have a low attention span. But she was like, what the fuck is your problem? I was like, my problem is you want to flip off people that you don't even know. And you don't even know what they're capable of. I was like, you just think you're just I was like, just because you're white don't mean you get all these privileges that everybody else got. And then she was like, you're white too. And I was like, I'm Hispanic actually. And then that's when that girl came up and was like, there's no issue to press here. She started saying, you don't need to confront somebody that really don't need it or whatever. Yeah, some shit like that.
No, but my 2 other homegirls, she like got in their face, like, oh my god. I forgot her name, but the other girl with the poofy hair, the one with the lifeguard's bathing suit, she got so pissed and got in her face, like, oh my god, you know that she a real one if she fucking like helps you out, you know?
No, because the girl had put her arm out because I was gonna go past them, and the girl had put her arm out and she like got into her face and was like she was like, you don't need to do that, we were here before you, like all that stuff.
She's gonna tell you you're cutting again, be like, bitch, I was in front of you.
No, I told them, I was like, no, let them go first because we're gonna do it again because we was here before them. And then, yeah.
But yeah, that was our day at Knott's. Right now we're gonna go back home to go pick up my cousins from school, and then after that we're going to the fair. Okay, so sorry we didn't vlog for the rest of the afternoon, but we're here at La Habra Citrus Fair with Kylie. Left the rest of the gang doing department training, period. What's it called? But yeah, we're here at the fair, so we're gonna meet up with some friends and see who we find at the fair.
Oh, fuck.
But we're gonna try to vlog, but not really because this is our city, so like
Kind of weird.
it's kind of weird for people to see that we're actually like vlogging and like being YouTubers, you know. So I'm gonna try as much as possible to vlog, and hopefully I let you guys see the rest of my night. Hey guys, good morning. It is, I think, Monday. I'm so sorry I didn't get to finish my vlog, but I got the majority of what I wanted on this video. I know it's a little bit choppy and it's not great quality, but it's my first YouTube/vlog video on this channel, so I will be doing more and maybe taking my time on them. I took about like 2 weeks doing this one, but yeah, I finally got to it this morning and I finished it, so I'm actually doing my ending now, my conclusion. So if you got this far, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, or if you're not subscribed already, and leave some comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what I need to improve in my videos. Let me know what I should do next in my videos. Let me know what you thought was funny about the video or what wasn't funny about this video. But yeah, anyways, the feedback would be nice. But yeah, thank you for staying till the end. Hope to see you guys in my next YouTube video. And I apologize for me looking like a little boy. I just woke up. It's 8:30 in the morning. But yeah, anyways, like I said, like and subscribe, and please leave some comments down below for the next video. Thank you.